Hello everyone, this is Sherif here, your boy Sherif here again from the Sherif the Value Added channel and Steel Hyundai channel, where we decided as me and the people that I'm working with, and for my own as well personal channel, Sherif Value Added, to post more videos for client requests. I've been getting tons of requests on, hey, do a full demonstration on the car. So today I am doing a full demonstration on the Tucson preferred model, the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, the preferred model. So the preferred model is a step above the essential, okay? So you got your fog lights, you got a big nice grille here, you got your obviously the daytime running lights, you got the nice 17-inch alloy wheels with the Hankook all-season tires, the signals left and right on the mirrors. You get proximity keyless entry, so you can enter the vehicle just by pressing that, right? And then you get a nice cooling ambient light here, pretty nice at nighttime. So basically you get the vehicle from the back here, pretty nice aggressive looking tail light, with, of course, comes with the rear backup camera. I mean, since 2017 now, most manufacturers, all manufacturers legally now, you should have manufacturers build cars with a backup camera. The HTAC logo, it's a very famous logo for Hyundai. It stands for the all-wheel drive. The big thing with the all-wheel drive system, while you're driving, the vehicle sense the road condition. Usually with all-wheel drive, the system disengage at 30 kilometers an hour. If there is no actual use for the system is smart enough, right? So this artificial intelligence, guys, is amazing. How artificial intelligence has made a huge difference in making people lives easier. Maybe safer as well, because you have those safety systems that are in these vehicles that can help avoid an accident, and I'm gonna talk more about that as well. So back to this car specifically. So the preferred model, like we're talking, once you open the trunk, you got light here on the left side. You got the 12 volt for a connection, so maybe if you have like a vacuum or something. You also get a decent size trunk. You can fit a stroller there, you can fit golf clubs there. So definitely it's decent size. You also get your spare tires. Thank God manufacturers still have the spare tire. Funny enough, actually, it's a fact, some vehicles now do not come with a spare tire, they come with an air kit. And I think that's where the manufacturers are going down the road. Save the environment, save rubber, because think about it, all this rubber at the end of the day is going to get melted, and is going to, they're going to burn it, and, after the tire is gone and all that smoke is going in the air and causing our environment to get pollution, right? So that's another way of trying to help. What I just did right now, I just put the that sliding thing like down a bit, so it gives you, if you notice, a little bit more space, more deep, right? You also got storage area here that you have, so you can store stuff here, right? So that's pretty cool. You got your anchors for the child seat, okay? Safety first. You got your this is a connector for a privacy rod. So privacy rod is basically, I'm trying to explain it here. You can, it's like a rod comes with like a sliding thing on it, like a sliding sheet, and then you can cover your stuff, so your groceries when it's raining or snowing outside. So the trunk side, yeah, that's the trunk side. Both seats can go flat, so the 60-40 split, both seats can go flat, okay? Again, we're on the preferred 2021 Tucson 2-liter 4-cylinder. You will really appreciate the rear wipers in the winter times when it's raining too. You got also a little bit of a tinted window in the back, tinted window in the glass of the trunk. Once you get to the back door here, you get heated seats in the back. That's for the preferred model. You also get the reclining, so I can push that, right? I can push that for the seat to go down, okay? Or I can actually get more more space, right? Not space, sorry, reclination, right? So on long trips, that's going to be a comfortable position. You see how the seat is more to the back. You got the air conditioner in the back as well. You get your two pockets, right? Nice pockets there, and the air conditioner in the back. Like I said, heated seats on both sides. That is a big thing, and the Hyundai is known for value for money, right? You got your blind spot monitoring, so that goes orange or red anytime someone in your blind spot. Very helpful. So yeah, I'm on the passenger side right now. So once you get in, you can obviously adjust the seats by this is how you adjust the back from here, and this is how you adjust the front and the forward of the seat. You got a little storage here. You got your glove box. Make sure your salesperson show you your roadside assistance, your wheel lock nuts. You would definitely need that, right? You would definitely need that. God forbid if you're got a flat tire or car, you're on the side of the road, you need help, you call roadside assistance. Your salesman also should show you your roadside assistance phone number. It should be on a keychain, a Hyundai keychain, which should be attached to your key. So your salesperson should know that. So once we get in, we've got a nice big screen here, and that's Hyundai is known for got the rear backup camera, one of the clearest rear backup camera on the market. So you can do a lot too with that screen, from Apple Android Auto, which this vehicle does have, to Bluetooth, to so many other features. So obviously you got your sun shades here. You got some lights. Ladies, you love that for just doing your makeup, or you're gonna take a look at yourself, or for men, going to your meeting in the morning, you want to make sure you look good, so that's kind of helpful. Or you're going to a night or a date, or you're going somewhere, and it's nice to have that. There's so many things I can see. First impression is important, right? Always important. So you got your cup holders, right? You got your drive mode. So drive mode is basically going from sport to eco to normal. You only use sport mode because it uses more gas if you're trying to pass someone on the highway, right? Or you're trying to merge. So you do the sport mode. You got obviously your transmission here. You got your 12 volt, right? You got your USB charging the phone, your auxiliary cord, heated seats for the passenger, heated steering wheel. And this is a preferred model. That's why it has the heated steering wheel. Heated seats for the driver. Front defrost, rear defrost. It's really foggy. If it's condensation inside the vehicle or it's raining outside. So you can have that, right? AC, right? This is how to change where the air is coming from, right? You get a nice screen here. So here too, you got your storage as well, and with a pocket here, so that's kind of cool. You can change that and put that actually in that position here. All right. So from the steering wheel stuff here as well, this is the menu button, and the menu button directly talk to the screen that's in here, right? So you can do a lot through that. You can check the service, you can check sorry, I just got a brain freeze here. So from that menu, there's different menus you can go through. So you can change your speedometer to a digital speedometer. If you want a digital speedometer here, you can see, you can track your service mileage. So there's a lot of stuff you can do through there. Obviously your wiper, the back wiper, this is how you operate it. You just click low, high, that's for the wiper. You push it toward the dash to get water in the back. Okay, I got a nice sunglass here. You got that also in the base model. So push button in the preferred model. So I mean, one of the differences, or a few of the differences that comes between the base model and the preferred model, is the preferred, that which is the one that we're sitting in right now, got the leather wrapped with a heated steering wheel and a push button. So this is the extra that you get on top of the base. You also get the, like I said, the heated steering wheel. You get the blind spot monitoring. You get the, remember what I showed you, how to enter the vehicle by pressing a button on the handle outside? That's also another feature extra. You also get the rear cross traffic. So if you're backing up and you're from a driveway or something, or from a grocery store, or from a spot where you at, and a car is coming or a person is coming, it actually warns you on the screen. That it's called the rear cross traffic, and this is only in the preferred. You don't get that in the base model either. So those are more differences. The base model also get you hubcaps, so it's not an actual alloy wheel, right? And also you do not get blind spot in the base model. You do get a blind spot mirror on the driver's side in the base model. So those are the major significant differences, guys, between the preferred and between the essential. Essential is, like I said, the base model. So we have lovely clients here in our showroom checking out the vehicle, which is wonderful. You got your brake, your leg brake here, right? So this is basically what the preferred, they both drive the same, the base and the preferred model. That's your key fob here, nice fancy key fob. So that's for the panic, that's to hold. It actually doesn't open the trunk, doesn't automatically open the trunk, but you just hold it, so you unlock it, and this will unlock the vehicle, and this is how you lock the vehicle. So I hope that was helpful. So this is more of a what's the vehicle interior of the vehicle. One thing I want to mention too, the safety feature. So this vehicle has a forward collision warning system. So it is going to warn you on the screen here, guys, if you're coming too close to a vehicle, basically, and you don't have your foot on the brake, you don't have your foot on the gas, and you did adjustments. Your salesman should help you with this and should know that. When should that warning get engaged if you're too close to a car? On Hyundai, have set it up as early or later or medium. This is how quickly you want the vehicle to tell you, hey, watch out, you're coming close to a vehicle. So that has the forward collision warning, and it has in the preferred model, in the base model. It got the lane change, lane keep assist as well, at 65 kilometers an hour if you're changing lanes. Let's say, if you don't have your hands on the wheel, guys, and you're changing the lane for some reason, you don't have your hands on the wheel. I've seen it, but the vehicle will actually automatically put you back to the lane. So that's pretty cool feature. But always have your hands on the wheel. So yeah, the lane change, lane keep assist, the lane departure warning as well, and blind spot monitoring. So if someone in a blind spot. So those are the preferred features, right? And there's much more safety as well. Like I said, the rear cross traffic, the rear camera. But basically, the base model, what it would give you, it give you a forward collision, so you still get that same forward collision warning if you're too close to something. You also, with the essential, you also get the lane change, lane keep, and you get heated seats, right? Obviously, with the preferred, you do get all the features in the base model, and you get the preferred as well on top of it, right? So yeah, those are the differences between both vehicles. In my next videos, I'll probably gonna do some videos while I'm driving the car. I'll have my own camera setup and stuff, but this is basically an overview of a 2021 Tucson, Hyundai Tucson, a very popular vehicle. One other thing too is the preferred model is the rails, right? You got the rails, the roof rails, which is the base model do not have. So if you have kayaks, or you wanna put something on top, then this is eligible, right? Because it have the roof rails, right? So that's another another extra feature. So guys, I hope that was helpful. That was just a little tour on the preferred Tucson 2021. I hope that was helpful, and just an overview around the vehicle. I'll be doing more videos of different requests, guys. Like if you like that video, please click the subscribe button. If you want more of these videos or more explanation on how to do certain things in a feature, or like any Hyundai vehicle, I'm an expert in all Hyundai vehicles, from cars to SUVs, older or newer vehicles. You want to know about features, you want to know about rates, whatever question you do have, even if about some servicing of a vehicle, just let me know. My name is Sherif, and I'm a consultant here at the Steel Hyundai, sales consultant at Steel Hyundai. You can always reach me at 902-402-9213. I will put my contact information in my YouTube in the description. So if you have any questions, it doesn't matter where you live. Well, obviously in the US, I know there are certain features are called, you know, there are certain trim levels have certain different features than Canada, so keep that in mind. But I'll be happy to answer any questions. Sherif here. I'm shooting this video from Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada, at 3625 Kemp Road, which is the preferred dealership in Nova Scotia here for brand new Hyundai cars. So again, that was Sherif here, guys. I hope that was enjoyable. I hope that was fun. If you have any feedback for me, or if you need some tweaks in the video, please let me know. I'm open to all the suggestions. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching that. Thank you. Have a good one. Thank you.